Good morning class 8. Today we will do question number 10 and 11 of exercise 11.2. Question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into the two different ways. Now this is a pentagonal park with the dimension. This is given 15 meter. The total length is given 30 meter and the width is given 15 meter. Now this is according to Jyoti, this diagram she has made, and according to Kavita, this diagram is made. Now according to Jyoti, she has draw the line in between the park. It means according to Jyoti, the park is divided into the two parts that are trapezium. And according to Kavita, again she has divided it into the two parts. One is triangle and the second one is a sphere. Now the dimensions for the Jyoti diagram, both the fields are trapezium, so the parallel sides are 15 and 30 and the distance between the parallel lines are 15 by 2 meter. Why? Because it was total 15 meter but she has divided it equally, so it is 15 by 2. And according to Kavita's diagram, the triangle's dimension means the base is 15 meter, height is again 15 meter, and for the sphere the side is 15 meter. Now what is the question? Question is that find the area of the park using both ways. Can you suggest some other ways of finding its area? Now according to the Jyoti diagram, Jyoti has divided the park into the two trapeziums of the same dimension. So area of the park is equal to the area of two trapeziums. 2 into 1 by 2, sum of the parallel side into height, cancel out 2 by 2, put the dimensions. The value of A is 15 meter, the value of B is 30 meter and the height is 15 by 2. So after solving, I am getting it is coming 337.5 meter square. Now according to Kavita, according to Kavita's diagram, Kavita has divided the park into the two shapes. One is triangle and the second is sphere. So area of the park, area of the triangle plus area of sphere. 1 by 2 into base into height is the area of triangle and side into side is the area of sphere. Now put the values. 1 by 2, base is 15, height is 15. Same, the sides are 15 and 15 each. And after solving, it is also coming 337.5 meter square. If you can also suggest the another way, then you can write here yes or no. Now question number 11. The diagram of the adjacent picture frame has the outer dimensions 24 into 28 centimeter and the inner dimension 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Now according to the diagram given, this is a frame in which these lengths are given 28 centimeter and 24 centimeter, and for the inner 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter. All the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, these are forming the trapezium. See carefully, all the four parts are trapezium, but the dimensions are different. First and third part has the same dimension, second and fourth part have the same dimension. See, for the fourth part, this is a trapezium in which the parallel lines are 20 and 28. And how much is the distance between the parallel lines? Now total was 24 and this was 16. We can subtract 24 and 16. We will get 8 and there are 2 width. So it will be half of 8. It will be 4 centimeter. Section 1 and 3 have the same dimensions. A1 is 16 centimeter, B1 is 24 centimeter and height 28 minus 20 by 2, 8 by 2, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So area of section 1 is equal to area of section 3 and which is equal to area of trapezium, which is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel side into height. By putting the value, it is coming 80 centimeter square. Now section 2 and 4 have the same dimensions. A2 is 20 centimeter, B2 is 28 centimeter and height 24 minus 16 by 2, 8 by 2, 4 centimeter. Therefore, area of section 2 is equal to area of section 4 is equal to area of trapezium, which is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel side into height. After putting the dimension, you will get 96 centimeter square. It means two regions, means 1 and 3. These both have area 80 centimeter square, and second and fourth region, they have area 96 centimeter square. Now you can complete your exercise 11.2 in your fair notebook.